Okay. Welcome back. Welcome back. And let's put Roblox as the game we play today. Roblox. All right. Okay. Welcome back to another stream. So today we're going to be making a Roblox game, arguably. So this is what we have right now. And what I want to do is make the pickaxe. So wooden. So starter pickaxe name was, where is it? Wooden. So we're going to put gold pickaxe in this case, or how is it called? Gold pickaxe. Okay, so let's play the game. Let's open it up. We're making a Roblox game, if that makes any sense. Okay. So we're missing the golden pickaxe part where the metal should be. So where the fuck is the metal? It's like one of the first questions. Where is the metal? Okay. Okay, so we can break that. But we got no swing animation. So let me put it here. Swing animation into gold pickaxe. And we want the handle. Maybe put the metal as part of the handle. Let's play this again. Just trying to make a Roblox asset in this case. Okay, so we got the movement. So seems good. What I don't get is how it's not able to connect. So we got this Roblox gold metal whatever. So we got a tool and we got a union, which is like the pickaxe, and we got a handle, and we probably need to make some kind of union here. So we need the handle part. So this is a mesh part, this is a part, this is again a mesh part. Okay, so I don't know. I would turn this into a union. Is it gonna be fine? That's the first question I got. It looks so full. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so let's put the yield constraint out. Let's make like a insert. Okay, let's first of all copy the handle. Place the handle in here, yield constraint, and then do a union of this. So let's see what it is like. Ooh, awful. Oh my god, it's so bad. What the fuck is this? Like, okay, let me delete this part. Move the metal here. Okay, one metal part. Or whatever, just like that. Doesn't really matter to me. So let's say, I guess we don't want the touch, interest, and gold pickaxe. I really don't get what the issue is. Like, it should supposedly have also the metal part. but I don't get why it's not working. So you got like the handle, which is a, okay, so let me try group as a model. Okay. Okay. So it doesn't make any sense, like yield constraint, parts. Let's say that you carry both of these. Okay, so let's try that in the yield constraint. So you got like metal as well in here. You got also metal here. Let's try that. Who knows? Maybe it works. Ah, shit. Okay, so let me remove the golden pickaxe. I'm just going to remove this pickaxe as well. So I'm going to duplicate that and let's see, no touch of interest. We don't give a shit about that. We're just going to add metal here. And let's check the differences. Assembly root part. Let's go ahead and put this in server storage. Let's give it a try now. Yeah, so right now our player should supposedly hold the pickaxe, but they only carry a handle, which is strange. Okay, so is pickaxe should be true. So is pickaxe, and we turn this into Boolean and click like that. I mean, I really don't get every single time what the fuck the issue is. Like every single time trying to make like a game, it just doesn't want to work. Like every single mess, every single 3D shit is completely different, it's completely separate. I really don't get it. Like, what the fuck is going on? So, how can we do it? Okay, let's roll up a new chat, I guess, for the assistant. I'm trying to make the gold pickaxe be held by player. However, the metal part is not shown. Roblox is really fucked up in some cases. They got tools, they got 3D assets, they got this, they got that. I really don't get it sometimes. Tool with 2 mesh parts. Roblox, let's search for that. Okay, so anything is guilty to handle will stay connected to it. Okay, so I think I know what the issue is. Hopefully we will be able to fix it. So this gold pickaxe, I'm going to remove the yield constraint. We need to group as a model here, rename this model handle and place that in here. So yield constraint is about a handle. So this is the handle and this is the pickaxe. So I'm just going to remove the old pickaxe here, just place it here, put in server storage, try to play the game. Let's see in this case if it works. So right now we are not even like seeing the thing. Okay, so handle, archivable, primary part, transparency, archivable, fluid forces, no anchoring. Is there any can collide thing here? Seems like no. Okay. Let's see the other handles. Maybe there's something we're missing. Let's add the swing animation. Every single time that I try to create something fucking new, it becomes more complicated. Like, it's so disappointing trying to create something with Roblox in this case. Like, it's always so strange. Like, let's add the is pickaxe argument. Is pickaxe boolean true. Let's try again. So it throws it off. I don't get why it throws it. I really don't get it. Yeah, it's very, very strange behavior. Handle. So tool object will search for a part name handle. If anything is equal to handle. Try yielding all the parts together. Oh my god, come on, Roblox. Okay, so you need to yield them together. So let's say that we got 2 parts. Let's try that with 2 parts. And it destroys it. What the fuck? Hopefully Roblox AI can solve the issue for us, even though I'm not very sure about that. But let's see. Okay, so we got a metal yield that has 2 parts. Yield constraint that connects the 2 meshes. Metal wasn't yielded. Automatically yields the handle character's hand. Okay. So I will give this a try. I will give it a try and let's see what happens. Oh, indeed, it's able to hold it together. What the fuck? Now that's very unexpected that it actually worked like that. I didn't expect that. So it was just about making a yield constraint correctly. I guess I didn't do that before. That was very strange. Okay, so I get. Okay, so I guess I would like to make the metal part of the pickaxe with a new texture. I mean, let's try the texture generator. Like there is this material generator, but I would like to have like, where is it? Script model. We should have here a texture generator, but I don't see it, which is strange. We should supposedly have like a texture generator. Let's go back and back. So generate material, golden metal. Let's do golden metal. Let's see if we can generate that material. So I want to take advantage of what currently exists in Roblox. So if you check this out right now, it doesn't look super bad. Like it even has nice styling. So we're going to name this golden material. I don't know about the starting, so no, we don't want organic. And for the basic material, maybe we want like metal. And we can change the studding. So making it something like that looks very interesting. So save and apply variant, and we made we made a golden material now, which looks very, very nice. I really, really like it. It looks very clean. Very, very clean. So click X and we got like this material here. So on materials, we could have like, oh, we have it here. It looks great. All right, so this is like the metal material. that, I don't know, why every single time that I apply it, it looks worse. I don't know. Okay, so it's fucking metal. Apply variant. Golden material. Okay, this is the end of the material shit. So I'm going to take this gold pickaxe, place it in server storage. Let's try and equip it to see if it looks nice. And it really looks interesting. Very interesting, I gotta say. So no swing animation, which needs to be fixed. So let's append on the gold pickaxe a swing animation. So let's check if it actually is able to swing anything. Okay. Then what we want to do is go ahead and make this like, I don't know, scale it up a bit. It's too small. Let's see, 1.5. Okay, it looks better now. We also need to do some kind of rotation. So we're going to shift it on x-axis by 90 degrees. Let's check it out again. Okay. Okay, so no x-axis rotation, sorry, wrong. 0, so we need z-axis, 90 degrees z-axis. Let's test it out again. Takes a little bit of time. Oh my god, okay. Okay. We should fix that. How the fuck am I going to fix it? So we need the rotation probably on the y-axis, like 90 degrees. I mean, that's the only option, final option. Let's see, okay. So the animation works nicely now. And we got something unique here. I'm not super happy with material though. Can we have like some kind of change in the material? Like how easy it is to change the material? I really hope actually the handle is not. Oh, so the handle also has the material for some reason. Okay, so we fucked it up. So this should have no material. This should be like, I don't know, what the fuck was the handle? Oh my god. I mean, I really hate Roblox Studio. Oh my god. No. Okay, stop. I don't want any material selected. Please just stop doing stuff. Just fucking stop. Oh my god. Okay, handle. Normal. Okay, what the handle is here? Smooth plastic. So smooth plastic. Let's play again. Okay, now it's going better. It's way too complicated in some cases, like breaks my nerves sometimes. The shits that is, going on. So we are going to keep the pickaxe there though. Okay, so handle, smooth plastic. This needs to be metal. Okay. Material, golden material. Let's check it out. Hopefully now it will be fine. And it swings correctly. So okay, that's acceptable. That's acceptable. So we got a way. In some cases, we got a way to create pickaxes that are actually equipable. So if I would make like a folder, can I make a folder here? Like folder with pickaxes, and like push all of the pickaxes inside there. Okay, gold pickaxe. I don't want the old pickaxes. I don't care about them. So let's test it out. Cannot store pickaxe. Missing gold pickaxe. All right. Pickaxes, gold pickaxe. Okay. So let's go ahead. Ask ChatGPT. I made a gold pickaxe. Question is, can we see the server storage here? It is in the pickaxes folder in the server storage. Server storage. Fix any paths where it's needed. Okay. Let's see if AI can help with that. Because I want to make a folder with all of the pickaxes, and all of them should be there. Like it should not be anywhere else. Like we need to be very efficient and like very focused. Okay, so the mining grid is still reserving the torrent server storage root instead of the pickaxe folder. Okay, so here's the folder name. Let's see if that worked. All right, boom, great. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to be able to generate multiple pickaxes that will just have different materials. But this is not an easy thing to do. Okay, so I'm just going to open up a new chat. I am making my pickaxes progression system. And fuck. Okay, so now this is going to be very complicated. What we are going to try and do right now. So we got like an inventory, not inventory system, but we got a progression system that has different kind of tools and different kind of materials, which I don't remember where they are. So it should be in some kind of config file in the server storage or replicated storage. Probably replicated storage, but where the fuck is the config? Progression. Upgrade. Where is it? Ore tiers, dirt, stone, gold, daily quests, mine dirt. This seems like the old code. which is really scary, in my opinion. Where is the new code? Why is this the old code? Why is this the old code? Wait a minute. This is not right. Crafting bench. Okay, quests. Oh, this is the new code. But something is wrong. Something is absolutely wrong. Upgrades. Okay, let's not freak out. I'm making my pickaxe progression system. Crafting config. Okay. I have different materials available. I would like to create, now that I think of it, I would like to create a pickaxe for each material in the configuration. And just change the metal part to have a specific material. Or should we have the asset made on the server storage? Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, we can keep one base pickaxe template and add a config table per material, display name tier, head material, head color, optional mess ID, texture ID. This is interesting. So we could do this part. So maybe we could do it like that. Maybe. Okay, I like this option. Let's do that. Use as material the, how it's called the material. Okay, maybe we're onto something, like making different items like super easily. So for each progression that we have, we won't be having any issues like creating new pickaxes because we will just be changing the material variable. Ναι,
Γεια σου γεια μου, καλά είσαι?
καλά.
Μπράβο. Θυμάσαι χθες που ήταν να σου πω κάτι αλλά το είχα ξεχάσει?
Ναι,
Το θυμήθηκα το πρωί αλλά δεν ήξερα να πάρεις το μεσημέρι τελικά ή από αυτό.
για πες.
Λοιπόν, ήθελα να σου πω για τις σουηδικές κορώνες.
Ναι.
Δεν αλλάζουν. Τώρα ένα χρόνο σταμάτησε και η Τράπεζα της Ελλάδος να κάνει αλλαγές. Οι άλλες τράπεζες δεν αλλάζουν κορώνα, ούτε Δανίας, ούτε Σουηδίας, ούτε κάποια νομίσματα. Έχουν μόνο 3 ή 4 νομίσματα που αλλάζουν. Δολάριο, στερλίνα, ελβετικό φράγκο και δεν ξέρω ποιο άλλο νόμισμα. Αν είναι 3 ή 4 τα νομίσματα που κάνουν αλλαγές.
Ναι.
Πήγα σε όλες τις τράπεζες, δεν αυτό τίποτα. Πήγα και στις τράπεζες της Ελλάδος, μας ορθοδόξα αγόρασαν, για ένα χρόνο τώρα σταματήσαμε να κάνουμε αλλαγές στο χαρτονομίσματα.
Μάλιστα.
Οπότε λέω, δηλαδή πρέπει να πάω εδώ Σουηδία για να αυτό. Αν είναι δυνατόν. Γιατί στο λέω, αν θυμηθείτε ή κανένα γνωστός έχει τίποτα, έχετε κανένα γνωστός που είναι Σουηδία ή οτιδήποτε, να πάρουν πληροφορίες. Αλλιώς θα ετοιμάσεις το επόμενο σου ταξίδι με τους φίλους σου, Σουηδία, στο χόρνη, 3-4 μέρες.
Κατάλαβα.
Τα έξοδα εισιτήρια και τη διαμονή σου.
Εντάξει.
Και θα σε κάνει δικό σου. Τα εισιτήρια κάνουν από 130-160 μέχρι 200 ή 230 ευρώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πάρτε ένα από Ηράκλειο. Οι διαμονές θα πάρουμε τελικά τους λεφτά να
Ναι.
πάρεις και πάνω σου να πάτε 2-3 μέρες.
Ναι, ναι.
Πας και στα αλλάξουν σε καμιά τράπεζα.
Κατάλαβα.
Reward δεν έχουμε. Reward πόσο δεν αυτό.
Μα και να είχες δεν μπορείς να τη βάλεις. Είναι...
Θα κάνω τώρα μια ερώτηση τις επόμενες μέρες. Μήπως μπορώ να ανοίξω λογαριασμό με πάτε σε ξένο νόμισμα, σε γάλαμα.
Ναι.
Να ρωτήσει προχθές. Μήπως και αυτό, αλλά αφού δεν αλλάζουν τις etiquettes, μπορεί και να μπορώ να κάνω στην Ελλάδα με το.
Ναι, θα πρέπει να δεις από τρίτες εταιρείες, π.χ. Western Union.
Ναι, τέλος πάντων.
Καλά.
Εσύ λιγάκι που είσαι λίγο στα.
Εντάξει, θα το κοιτάξω.
Γιατί ούτε τα ανταλλακτήρια αλλάζουν. 3 χρόνια τώρα τα ανταλλακτήρια.
Μάλιστα.
Δεν αλλάζουν. Που είπαν βέβαια τα ανταλλακτήρια εδώ στο Ηράκλειο, μήπως υπάρχει κανένα στο αεροδρόμιο
Ναι.
της
Ναι,
Αθήνας,
ναι.
αν και πόσο.
Εντάξει, θα το δω.
Αυτά. Σε ενημερώνω λοιπόν.
Εντάξει.
Καλά είσαι.
Καλά.
Μπράβο. Ωραία.
Έγινε.
Να μας χρειάζεται πράγμα τηλέφωνο.
Εντάξει. Ναι. Καλό βράδυ, γεια.
Γεια, γεια, γεια.
Okay, so what the fuck is it doing? Are those GUI images AI generated? No, these GUI images, you mean these icons, right? These ones that says inventory quest rebirth. Please confirm. If you mean these, I generated with Nano Banana with a grid, and then I cropped each one of these, added it as image button in the game. I generated actually all of them at once in a grid, and then I was like zoom, remove background. I actually made vibe coded yesterday a tool that is going to make it so much easier to do that with a couple of clicks with auto centering. So you save both on costs and time. And yeah. No, Codex didn't do that because I don't want to give it access to Nano Banana API. But I would make, maybe I could actually make the application do the generation instantly. So I don't have like to go into a third-party tool, even though I have credits. So it makes more sense economically. Now, if you ask about the actual material, like that material here was generated in Roblox with the material generator. Doesn't look super amazing now that I see it again, but who gives a fuck? Like, it's better than nothing. It has a cool style. I like the style. It's a nice style. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see what is happening here, because what the fuck is going on? So this is the placeholder material. One issue that we might have is that not every material is suitable to every tool, and we got a lot of tools to make, which is a little bit worrying. But we are going to test out and find out. Like I'm probably straight up going to make a short and just give it to the character just to check everything. I also kind of hate how it adds more files. But okay, whatever. It is what it is. At the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta work with what you have. Okay, so pickaxe service. Oh my god. So it completely reduced the mining rate by quite a lot of lines, which I think is a positive. All right. So golden material is a placeholder for every tier. It's material now. Game config. Okay, so you know what? Maybe we're going to give it a try now with a wooden material. So I would go ahead and generate a wooden material and make a wooden pickaxe. So let's go ahead on model, material, generate material. Come on, I mean, I actually hate how it changes stuff. On its own, like, I don't like it. Like, please stop doing that. It's very nerve-wracking that it does that. So deselect anything. Like, don't. How the fuck? Okay. So now I can touch the material. Click generate. Go to material generator. Wood. Not metal. Wood. Let's generate the wood material so we can actually make wood pickaxes, hopefully. Rojo is working nicely in general. I don't like this material at all. Low detail wood. Maybe try. I mean, actually, maybe that works. So maybe not have a lot of tile. Wood material and the base material, I don't know. Limestone, marble, pavement, plastic, rock, sand, slate, wood. Okay. Save it as wood material. We're just going to give it a try right now. At this point, I'm like more about, just making materials and testing stuff out rather than, straight up like hooking everything up with whatever the fuck I want. So here, let's put this into a comment. How is the comment here? I don't remember. I don't have any fucking idea. So okay, let's just do wooden or wood material. Let's save. Let's click generate. Okay, my absolute nerves. Like, It's just going to get into my nerves, and I don't want it to do that. So it has wood material in both cases, but we don't see it as wood, which is pretty lovely. Oh my god. Wood material. But I don't. I really start to hate Roblox right now, man. I really start to hate Roblox. Why do you do this to me? Why? Nah. Okay, wood material. We don't want gold. We don't want shit. So let's go with brownish. I don't like it. I don't like this at all. And I don't get like why it's like that. I don't. I really have no fucking idea what the fuck is going on. I mean, does this look like wood? Maybe that looks better. Maybe that does look better. I don't know. Okay, so instead of metal, we wanted to say wood. So we want also to be able to set like the wood preference. So display item, refined item blank, blah 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 blah. Where the pickaxe is created. Pickaxe metal material. Okay, so we got material order. For material in material, crafting material, blah 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 material. Fuck me. Fuck me, this is complicated sometimes. This is fucking complicated at times. Okay. I would like to have a separate not separate. I would like also to be able to set we don't want the handle to have the material. We want only the metal to have the material. Set the material variant and the material on my own config for each type of item. Not item. I mean, this is getting very complicated, man, and breaks my nerves. Like, why should it be so complicated, for fuck's sake? You see, I'm very chill. Material variant. The material type. Come on, it's like variant and material. The material variant and the material on the config. Some need metal, others need wood, others stone. Let's see if it's able to do this configuration better. Each tier can declare the material variant directly in the config. Let's check that out. If we can generate the materials through this way, it's gonna be great. If we can't do it, it's going to be so fucked. Like, sincerely so fucked. The question is, how can I see the other types of materials? Is it going to get it on its own? So yeah, it actually can find the wood, the slate, the metal. It can go with glass and metal and slate. So hopefully we can catch up with that and make sure it's fine in every case. Okay, so by default it had like the metal choice. But right now it's more like smart. So I really don't like that the types are here and whatever, who gives a fuck. Categories, wood, pickaxe material variant. This is going to be wood material. And this is going to be gold. So let's go with golden material. Okay. Let's try it. Let's try it out. So this for sure is not the fucking material we want. But why the fuck? What the fuck? Gold pickaxe. Goes with golden material. Yeah, okay. So what is the fucking default? I mean, probably it was right. Probably it was right. Because when we want to generate the wood pickaxe, we will have to do some different shit. Fuck me, this is hard. This is not easy at all. This is not easy at all. Pickaxe service. Who the fuck is gonna read all of that? Base pickaxe. This is what we need to call it. Base pickaxe. Fuck me. Fuck me, man. Like, what the fuck? This is not a template at all. At all. Like, rename base pickaxe. Okay. Get template. It's not a fucking template. But okay, you know what? Let's just give it a try. It's gonna fail probably. But it didn't. It fucking worked. Okay. Let's try one more thing. So where is the golden pickaxe? You know what the issue is? Like, there is no way for me to set the initial material, which is an issue. Okay, I would like to test the wood pickaxe as the default. Now I think is the golden pickaxe. How is the matching done right now? I don't understand what it has done. I don't know how to change it. So I gotta ask AI. So right now, starter name, gold pickaxe. So right now we still got like the gold pickaxe as the default. Check inventory for the best owned pickaxe name. Use fallback, which is a gold pickaxe. The best owned by looping through the material order and keeping it the last player owns. So let's try the wood pickaxe. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it matched with a wood one. But how the fuck is it doing that? I don't get it. I really don't get it at all. Like, I don't get how it's matching the correct thing, how it's working correctly. I just don't get it. I just don't. So line 161 in the pickaxe service. So what the fuck did it do? How? I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Like, what? How is this possible? How is this possible? Material.display name. So it goes through all of the materials and it finds the right one? How is this possible? This is some pretty next level shit. Like, how it was... How? Just how? I mean, stone here. Silver, gold. So the gold is matched with the golden material. So it's able to make that. Seems pretty amazing. Okay, let's try with stone. So what we want to do is get stone into material slate. Let's just try to generate this kind of material. So I'm just going to go here. Just close this. Stone. Stone slate. Let's try that. Try just a simple stone material generation. Let's see if we're able to do it. If we're able to do it, because I don't know if we will be able to do it. Okay, low stone item. Let's try that. I mean, I'm just generating stuff with the material generator because it's not easy to make what I want. Low stone texture. Low polygon stone texture for pickaxe. Let's see, maybe that's more helpful. At the end of the day, this should be like an image generator. So it should work. Okay, now that's interesting. We probably can work with this. So let's say that we have this and we put it in slate mode. Slate. Wow, this looks very, very nice. Tabanidis, hello friend. Let's just do that. Okay, this is interesting. An organic pattern. So like that. Like this looks nice. Can we select slate as default? So at this point, right, like that, it looks nice. Stone. What was the name of the other materials? Fuck me, I mean, okay, wood material. So this could be like stone material. I like that. I like this. If you're gonna vibe code, why not generate 3D? Because I want to have something that is easily extendable. And I want to generate materials that I can apply to multiple assets. And I want to be able to minimize the changes done. So I have like a style. So you see like this pickaxe here, it has a very specific style. It has a handle. And what is changing is like this part where you hit the pickaxe. And I made a general pickaxe that automatically through the code, when you upgrade, it just changes two things, the material and the material variant. Through this way, I think I'm going to be able to minimize the changes required every single time I want to do whatever. So so that's why I do it like that, because it allows me to minimize the changes. And for me, that's like the most important thing, to minimize the changes. So I don't get why the hell it's called low polygon pickaxe stone texture. What the fuck? What the fuck? Like, what the fuck is this naming? And it would be really good if I could rename the material. I could basically use any of these kind of materials, to be honest. But maybe I could. But I don't know if I should, which is an issue. Like maybe I just should like use this kind of stuff. They don't look bad. They're kind of tested. But I don't know. So this is the material manager. So these are material variants. Okay, delete. I don't know. It's a lot to think about. So for some reason, the fucking naming is what the fuck. It's whatever. And it's my first time trying. That's an interesting way to have multiple items. Yep. That's what I try to do. I try to minimize the changes because, bro, doing a lot of changes is really fucked. Like, it's really hard to have to manage this. It's really hard. If you got a lot of things going on, it's really hard. Okay, apply the variant. But I would like to change the name of the material. Why the fuck can I not do that? Like, it breaks my nerves. Like, my nerves. I'm getting crazy. Low. Can I do that? Apply. So the name is stone material. Man, this is fucking insanity. But okay. Whatever. I don't give a single fuck. I don't give a single fuck. Okay, so let's call it stone material. Let's go ahead on the config. I'm just going to play around with it in this case. So here I'm just going to add stone material. Let's see if it works. This is always a problem. This is always a problem. So starter pickaxe name. Let's try that. So let's go with stone. Let's see what we made. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Let me. Okay, let's see what went wrong. I mean, you know, guys, I'm not like a fucking expert. So it's late. I mean, it looks good, but probably we need a different kind of color. So maybe if we went with black, is it gonna give a fuck if I select black? It should actually give a single fuck. Like, what the fuck is this? Okay, let's try brick. I didn't give a fuck. Okay, slate. Color change is doing nothing here. Well, that's strange. This is really strange. Why isn't it making any kind of difference? Like, yeah. I mean, I'm changing the wrong thing. I'm changing the fucking wrong thing. I'm such a stupid idiot. Okay, so the name of the material is like that. It's this whole fucking thing. So low polygon texture, whatever. It is what it is. I don't give a single fuck right now. It is what it is. If that's the name, that's the name. I'm not going to give a single fuck. Like, this is the name. This is the name. Let's close that. Let's open it up again. Let's give it a try. You see it. This thing is. Come on. Come on. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. Okay. So I'm going to delete this low poly texture, whatever. I just went ahead and deleted it because this is not what I want. Either we're going to do it my way or we're not doing it. We cannot afford to do bad stuff, wrong stuff. We either do it correctly or we fucking don't. Fuck yeah. I'm hyping up myself. Whatever. Okay, so this material variant should get deleted. So material variant. Fucking deleted. Fuck you, man. Get the fuck out of here. So again, stone low poly. Fuck me. Never call this again like that. Like, I hate it. I don't want to call it like that. We're going a different approach. Okay, slate. Let's see what we can do. Organic. That looks better than before. So why is it trying to call this like low polished store material? No, I don't want to call it like that. Like, why? I think it takes the name of the it had whatever, bro, whatever. There was some shady shit going on here, bro. Whatever. Save material. Now it's saved correctly. Hopefully. Yeah. Fuck this material, man. Fucking low poly bullshit. Low poly bullshit. Motherfucker, you're gonna drive me crazy, man. Drive me crazy. It had some like new line, whatever. I cannot believe this fucking shit. Come on. Oh my god. This is stone material, whatever. Oh my god. This is fucked up. This is really fucked up. This is really fucking fucked up. Oh my god. Delete everything. Backspace. Delete. Okay, let's go. Let's go again. Let's go again. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, guys. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna make it happen. No material. Start from beginning. Apply variant. Apply. What is this material I'm working on? Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. Fuck me. It's bugged out. It's bugged out. Okay. New day, new try. Whatever. This is next level shit. Like, it's really funny. But okay, I mean, it's the first time I'm doing this, so I'm not going to be very strict with myself. That looks even better than before. Okay, so we remove the strange naming. We're making it super clean. And this is going to be the stone material, right? Now save it correctly. Save it correctly. I'm gonna get crazy. I'm gonna get crazy. They're going to drive me into insanity. They haven't made the tool correctly, so it's clean and beautifully seen. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers, they're gonna drive me crazy, man. They're gonna drive me crazy. They're messing with my head. Arguably, 50% of Roblox developers going completely insane. This kind of shit. Whatever. Material, organic, save. No low stone item again. No low. Please don't tell me it's low polygon, whatever again. Oh my god. No. Please no. Okay. Let's play the game again. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. So the next question is, how the fuck are we changing the color? Like, I mean, it should have a color. So, it should be dark. Okay, so how can we change the coloring? It's stone, so it should be kind of gray, like dark gray. Sand blue. I like sand blue. We don't care about the color. So, okay, brick color. We want to be able to set the brick color. Make an extra setting to be able to set the brick color for each material. Arguably, if I was just generating the 3D assets, it would be easier. But no, I want to do the most complicated thing in the fucking world. Because it's me. It's fucking me, and I have to do it complicated. Instead of just making it work. But you know what? It's fine. I feel happy that I at least do the thing that is hard. Because this is the correct thing to do. Because when we make it, when we fix it, when we make it happen like that, you just change the options here and you're good to go. And hopefully the brick color is going to be set on its own by it easily, bam, 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 and we're good to go. Okay, so supposedly it has done it. And boom, nice material. Looks clean, looks good, crispy, boom, replicatable. And by making the materials once, we could have all sort of swords, axes, all of these things made easily. Boom. Now, some things are not correct on the map. For sure. But I really don't care at the moment. Okay. So, okay. 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 You know what, guys? I think we made some decent progress on the 3D assets. Make sure to hit a save. So I think what we're going to do now is a little bit of coding. So add day-night cycle. So we got the materials done, good to go. Refined items, handles, planks. And then we have the tools. So different kind of tools can be created or be equipable. Day-night cycle. I need to make the pond work sometime soon. Because really right now it's really whatever. We need to add a road here where carts will go by and people will be able to hit them once in a while and they can get extra loot. But okay, we're moving slowly, but we're doing some cool things. It's shaping up nicely. Takes a bit of time, but it's getting somewhere. That I can tell you. It's getting somewhere. I can feel that. Okay, so all right. Let's pause. We made the day-night cycle. So maybe we can try and do some things. Bro, 2 wins since creating Roblox round video, 20 subscribers and round total channel views. Look, you're at your beginning. It takes time. Don't worry. It takes time. I want you to not worry about it. It's gonna take time, but it's gonna be fine. Keep working, keep doing it, and you're gonna make it happen. Don't worry about that. 100%. So make the rebirth logic. We got a lot of things to add. Maybe we will give each player an axe and a sword and whatever. Grow your space. Maybe we could add. Okay, so add trees. Add fish. Make water. There are so many things to do. There are so many things to do. It's fucking insane. All right. What should we do now? We arguably should make a lot with wood. Actually, you know, guys, I'm just gonna close the stream because I wanna relax. But we made some progress. We understood what happens with materials, with the items. I think it's solid progress. Like, we could make all of the other necessary tools quite easily now. I really believe that, to be honest with you. I really believe we're onto something. And we're going to be able to create nearly all of the logics quite easily. There are so many things to add. There are so many things to improve. But we are getting every single day closer and closer. And this is the main thing, getting closer and closer. So I'm just going to close the stream now. We made some progress. We have like pickaxes here with a base pickaxe. We're going to be adding more stuff soon. So yeah, closing now. Thank you so much for being here. See you soon.